Over 4,500 years ago, a civilization with no modern machines built structures that have stood longer than most empires. The Great Pyramid of Giza, over 2 million massive stone blocks, aligned almost perfectly with the stars. How? No one really knows. Even today, it remains one of history's most baffling mysteries. Ancient Egypt was a powerhouse of innovation. The Nile gave life to a thriving civilization, and pharaohs ruled as gods on earth. Around 2560 BCE, Pharaoh Khufu ordered the construction of a massive tomb, what we now call the Great Pyramid of Giza. It would become the tallest human-made structure on Earth for the next 3,800 years. But here's where it gets strange. Some of the limestone blocks weighed up to 15 tons, some granite blocks inside as much as 80 tons. Yet there were no cranes, no wheels, no steel tools. And somehow, over 2 million stones were moved, shaped, and stacked with astonishing precision within just 20 years. Even today, modern engineers struggle to explain exactly how this was possible. The pyramid's base is perfectly level. Its sides are aligned almost exactly with true north. And mathematically, it contains values like pi and the golden ratio. Whether by accident or intention, no one knows for sure. Over time, theories have exploded. Some say the Egyptians used long ramps, others believe in levers and manpower. Then, there are the fringe ideas. Aliens built the pyramids. They used lost ancient technologies, or even had help from a now lost advanced civilization. While mainstream Egyptologists reject these, they admit we still don't fully understand the full method. We do know that the workers weren't slaves. They were skilled laborers, paid and well-fed. Recent discoveries show they lived in nearby workers' villages and rotated shifts. They likely used copper chisels, sledges, and perhaps water to reduce friction on sand. But again, how they organized and executed this at such a massive scale remains a puzzle. The pyramids were more than tombs. They were statements of power, eternity, and mystery. So what do you think? Were they built with ingenuity, or something we've yet to understand? Comment below with your theory. And if you love unraveling the secrets of history, subscribe for more.